Hey guys, how's it going? My name's Larissa and today I wanna have a talk with you guys about something that happened yesterday. And I think that's something both you and I wasn't expecting to happen. I installed Nobara, yes. But first, if you just got here and you don't know my channel yet, I invite you to take a look, and if you like what you see, consider subscribe for more videos like this, okay? I made a decision, guys, and I'm still not sure about this decision, but I actually want to record this video to document, I want to document this decision and share with you guys what am I going to learn with this decision. There's like a couple hours that I'm using it, and I have to say that I wasn't expecting to make this video. I wasn't expecting to record a video about Nobara because I just wasn't expecting to install Nobara, at least not so soon, because I was actually very comfortable with PikaOS, as you guys already know. So I don't want to make this video really longer. I just want to document quickly about this decision, and I need to repeat that I don't know if I'll definitely switch to Nobara or if I'll go back to Pika. I just know that Nobara was the only distro that I didn't use yet. I already used CashOS, I already used PikaOS, I already used Bazite, even though it didn't take like a night. I really didn't like the experience of using Bazite. So what about Nobara, right? I think I needed to give a chance to this distro and see how it works and how it would perform on my laptop. I already have some experience with Fedora because I already used Fedora itself for some time, and I really liked the experience of using Fedora. Everything on Fedora just worked the time I passed using it. It was really a nice experience. I really enjoyed it. So for me, it's okay using DNF and a Fedora-based distro like Nobara. I think the point of this video is, why am I using Nobara? Because I know I was comfortable with PikaOS, but I have to say, and I think I don't like to say it, but yes, I was having some little issues on Pika, really small issues, especially after some system updates. And the last issue that happened kind of made me feel a little upset, I'm not gonna lie, so I have to be honest. And honestly, it wasn't the first time that I had some little issues after system updates on Pika. It actually happened a couple times. Nothing really much serious, even because those little issues that appeared after some system updates were always resolved quickly, but I was just like, maybe I should try something new. I think I don't see myself as a distro hopper anymore. I think that now I know the kind of distros that I like or not, so I consider that I know where to go if I need to switch. I was having some small issues on Pika, so I thought maybe it's time to try Nobara. And Feeling also made a video about Nobara, by the way, and it made me think, Nobara is actually pretty close to Pika. They are very similar. Just for example, on Nobara we have the Welcome to Nobara application, and on Pika we have the Welcome to Pika or Welcome to PikaOS. I don't remember exactly right now. So Nobara has basically the same out-of-the-box experience, just like Pika. You have almost the same options to manage your system, like updating your system, install multimedia codecs. You have a driver manager, and one thing that I found found really interesting is the fact that Nobara allows you to install DaVinci right from the Nobara welcome app. So I was curious. I was like, man, let's try everything. I wanna test all the features and all the tools. I just wanna know how much Nobara works. So I tried this DaVinci installer and it worked. I wasn't expecting it to work, but it did work. So I was kind of surprised. I just had found another way to install DaVinci on Linux, but this way is even more easier to install DaVinci. So I really found it really interesting. One thing that I found really interesting is this software manager. I never heard about it before. I think it's called something like Flatpost. I actually didn't find it really fast and it kind of feel a little bit laggy sometimes. I don't know, but it works. And it supports Flatpaks already. I installed Bazaar just from here, and I think Petaxis too. Petaxis. Yes. And you can access the settings of the packages you install just from here. I think it's another thing that is interesting, but I really never heard about it before, I swear. I only know the traditional GNOME software manager Discover from Plasma and Bazaar, so it's something new to me. On recommended editions, I really found it pretty much interesting. Like, I can install Discord and the GPU screen recorded right from this application. It already comes with OBS Studio. This is really nice. And the fact that we have access to install all these packages right from a simple application is really cool. And I have to say congratulations Nobara, because DaVinci is actually working and all I had to do was downloading the file from DaVinci official website and dragged the file to a window and boom, the installer already did everything by itself. Nobara already comes with Timeshift. I think this is also nice because you already have a ready-to-use way to recover your system in case of loss, so it's pretty practical. I actually can't say much about gaming on Nobara because there's just a couple hours that I'm using it. I decided to customize my system before playing any game, so I'm still downloading everything. But I think it really would be interesting to make a video comparing the gaming experience on PikaOS and on Nobara because they are actually really close. It's basically a decision about what do you like the most. Do you like more Debian or do you like more Fedora? Because on Pika you have to deal with the Pigman and the APT. On Nobara you have to deal with DNF to manage your stuff. So some people like more Debian, some people like more Fedora, some people like more APT, some people like more DNF. That's basically about it. I can't say anything about stability on Nobara because, just like I said, there's only a couple hours that I'm using it, so I can't say much, but maybe I can say something soon. And this video actually should be a video using Yuri for the first time, so sorry guys. But I really felt like I needed to share this decision with you all. So I don't know exactly if I'm switching definitely to Nobara or if I'll go back to Pika. I don't know. I just wanna live this experience and see how it goes, you know. My problem with Pika on the last system upgrade was that my brightness control was just gone, my night light wasn't working anymore, and my cursor was running like 10 FPS, and my system was really slow, and all my GNOME animations wasn't working anymore. So I was like, what is happening. I just rebooted my laptop after hitting the restart and install update button, and when my system rebooted, this happened. I decided to go ahead even though I'm not sure if it's a final decision or not. You will see it, I will see it together. I finally moved on from Papyrus icon theme and I'm trying the Telecircle icon theme. I'm also not using the traditional cursor anymore, which is Adwaita, and I'm trying the Bibata Modern. I don't know if this is the right way to pronounce it, but that's it. I liked this ice version. And I'm also trying the Inter fonts and I'm enjoying it. So yes, guys, I think that's it. I just wanted to share with you guys about this decision. I don't know if this is a final decision, but let's just wait and you guys will see it. I think that the fact that Nobara comes with an easy way to install DaVinci and Discord, it already comes with OBS Studio, the GPU screen recorder if you like to record games. It's really a positive aspect for those who want to play, study, work, or even create content. I have to agree with feeling about it. It's nice for content creators. Let's see how it goes on my everyday use, because I think it's the most important thing. So I think this is the end of the video, guys. If you liked this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, don't forget you can support me and my channel on Ko-Fi, the link is in the description. And let me know in the comments what you guys think about Nobara and how much close do you think that Nobara is compared to Pika. We'll talk later and bye!